Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to review this sample provided by Mignon. So it's a birthstone name necklace, and mine is color rose gold plated, and is made of stainless steel, so it won't tarnish. You can help it. Um, you can protect this item by removing it before going into the pool, avoid harsh chemicals, avoid perfumes, lotions, and also just keep it inside its original packaging inside here. It looks very nice. So it has my name on it, and it also has my birthday stone on it. So I want to demonstrate it. And it's also is worth mentioning that it's handmade. So it makes a beautiful gift. It makes a beautiful gift. It looks so pretty. Just be careful. Make sure you take care of it and you store it in a cool place. It doesn't get wet. If you're going to work out, also remove it and just enjoy it. You can match it with your favorite outfit of earrings and rings and bracelets. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I love it. Thank you for watching my video.